Welcome back to Bike Future Hub. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting motorcycles of 2025, the all-new Aprilia RS 457. This lightweight sport bike is built for riders who crave performance, agility, and cutting-edge tech, all in a package that's more accessible than ever. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first sport bike or an experienced rider wanting a thrilling ride, this machine is set to impress. Let's get started. The 2025 Aprilia RS 457 inherits its DNA from the legendary RS V4 and RS 660, featuring a race-inspired look that screams performance. The twin LED headlights with the rails give it a menacing presence, ensuring visibility while enhancing its aggressive appeal. Sharp fairings and aerodynamic winglets aren't just for show, they help with stability at high speeds. The sculpted fuel tank and tail section contribute to its sporty yet comfortable riding position. Available in 3 eye-catching color schemes, each emphasizing its racing heritage, Aprilia has truly nailed the aesthetics, making the RS 457 one of the best-looking lightweight sport bikes on the market. The heart of the RS 457 is a 457cc parallel twin, liquid-cooled engine producing around 48 horsepower, making it too license-friendly in Europe and ideal for new and experienced riders alike. The 270-degree crankshaft delivers a V-twin-like character, offering excellent torque and smooth power delivery. A lightweight chassis, inspired by the RS 660, ensures incredible agility without compromising stability. The ride-by-wire throttle system gives you precise control over power delivery, ensuring seamless acceleration. It features a 6-speed gearbox with an optional quickshifter, allowing for effortless gear changes, especially on twisty roads. With the top speed of around 180 km per hour, 112 miles per hour, the RS 457 offers just the right balance of power and control. Stopping power is crucial for a sport bike, and Aprilia ensures top-notch performance here. A 320mm front disc with a radial-mounted 4-piston caliper provides excellent braking force. A 220mm rear disc adds stability when slowing down. Dual-channel ABS ensures controlled braking, even in emergency situations. These features make the RS 457 one of the safest lightweight sport bikes in its class. The 2025 Aprilia RS 457 is packed with modern tech to enhance the riding experience. A 5-inch TFT display provides all the necessary information with excellent visibility. 3 riding modes allow riders to customize throttle response and power delivery. Traction control with multiple levels, helping newer riders stay in control in tricky conditions. The option for a quick shifter, allowing clutchless upshifts for a seamless riding experience. For a bike in this segment, Aprilia has truly gone above and beyond with its technology. With all these premium features, the big question is, how much does the Aprilia RS 457 cost? The expected price is around $7,500, $8,500, putting it in direct competition with Yamaha R3A, less power but reliable and beginner-friendly, KTM RC390A, more aggressive but lacks the refined Italian styling, Kawasaki Ninja 400A, powerful and comfortable but heavier than the RS 457. The RS 457 stands out with its premium build, aluminum chassis, and advanced tech, making it a top contender in this segment. The 2025 Aprilia RS 457 is a game-changer in the lightweight sport bike segment. With its stunning design, powerful parallel twin engine, lightweight chassis, and cutting-edge tech, it's perfect for beginner riders looking for their first high-performance sport bike, experienced riders wanting a lightweight, fun, and stylish machine, track enthusiasts who need a capable and agile bike for the circuit. So, what do you think? Is the Aprilia RS 457 the best lightweight sport bike of 2025? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth bike reviews. This is Bike Future Hub. Ride safe and see you in the next video.